So
Okay.
number of protons by number
Sir,
of electrons
first can you
ratio.
do some 4-5 problems?
Not problem. Some questions are there related to it. Okay. Just wait. I'm just giving you a problem. Then you can see what type questions are coming in the examination.
Sir, can you open OneNote also? Which will you send in WhatsApp that thing?
Okay. Okay. First, I'm sending in the classroom. No, this one here in the WhatsApp, and I will pull here electrons.
Then insert it.
Yes, I will insert it. I posted. You can check the question, right? Then I will
Yes, sir, I
insert.
got it, sir.
We download. Can you see question? Can you able to solve problem? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Easy. You will get this type problem. Okay. Easy only. It's not difficult. Hmm. Hmm. Draw. Hmm. Can you see question? Easy only. Ah.
Sir, for larger size means yesterday you taught no, sir. One. We
So
follow
arrange
that.
the in decreasing order. The covalent radius, van der Waals radius, and metal. Which is the highest, smallest? Which is the highest to highest to smallest? So what is the answer? Which is the
The
highest?
first van der Waals is highest, sir.
Then next is
And then
Covalent.
covalent, and then
no.
metallic, sir.
Metallic.
Metallic radius.
First
second,
metallic,
sir.
last is covalent. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you have to follow this order, right?
Sir, and then
This will-
ionic will be what? In what, sir? What position?
no. Ionic will not come. Ionic we can't say. Okay. Ionic we are not
Ionic
doing.
depends upon the
This is the
atoms,
1,
sir.
2, and this is 3. Because this is a charge decrease. Now, when they lose electron, charge decrease. Here, they know charge decrease. No? Here, charge, they are not losing the charge. They are not cation anion. So, ionic we are not counting. Now, can you find the answer 13? Yes. 13 you can
Sir,
get
I
answer.
think it is 99, sir.
Understood? 99? No.
No, sir,
99.
by mistake, sir.
So it will be 136 minus 99.
136 minus
It will be 37. Answer is
37. I think for radial hydrogen, na? Hydrogen they're asking. So 1, we have to subtract 136 minus Cl how much?
198 by 2.
So how much you get answer?
136
37
minus
picometer.
99.
37. sir.
Okay.
For that only, I
37.
think we told 99, sir.
Yes, good, very good. I
Sir,
think you
I didn't
understand.
tell, sir. I told 37 only.
Yes, very good.
No, I'm
See,
not talking about you, Mukundan. Deepak was telling.
14. 14. Siraga, 14.
Sir, 14th answer.
Tell which of the following is larger size? Now K and K plus. Which is larger size? I'm giving annotate option also. This is the larger, right? In this case, K only. BR mass. Very good. This case, this one. This one. Okay, clear? Very good. I think you know the answer. No need to explanation. Sodium is 11. Atomic is 11 only. Okay. Yes.
Sir, can
15.
you see periodic table for atomic numbers?
You have to remember, wait the time to see all those things. Now question came, you have to answer it. If you see periodic table, time is lost now. We have no time to see the table also. We have to question that. That is lucky they are giving. Okay, so lucky. The chapter easy only. They will ask you size. Size you can easily tell answer.
Sir, in your 3 books, no, sir. Sir, in your 3 books.
In which books?
Sir, this thing.
3 books.
Yes, sir. Can you open that thing?
What do you want?
Sir, there you kept a periodic table, sir. somewhere.
Here in periodic classification.
In
Okay.
these things.
You open book. Okay. You
No,
open
sir.
book.
There
Okay.
you,
You open book. Open
Okay,
book.
sir.
Okay. Don't see. You have book.
sir, I
No,
don't
no
have.
open
I think, sir.
it. You keep it now. See question 15. You can solve 56, 17. I'm just leaving up to you. Okay. Can you solve by yourself? So let us move to next topic. Ionization enthalpy. Yes. Can you solve by yourself?
Yes, sir.
I'm leaving up to you. Okay. Everyone can solve it. Don't leave question.
Yes.
I'm just leaving you. Let's move to next topic. Now we have the next trends. Next trend is called after atomic radius. Next is your ionization enthalpy. Okay, or we can use the word ionization potential. Ionization enthalpy or ionization potential. Two names are given. Okay, what is the
Sir, can you send these notes in Google Classroom?
No, already you have notes now. OneNote is there now. I gave you link also. OneNote ID. It will be updated there.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. You gave, sir.
I can't say this one. It's very difficult for me. Okay.
Sir, you have iPad.
Sir, also this video has been uploaded in YouTube also. Sir. So that
Yes. Somebody uploaded. Okay, you can see every time. And we are discussing also. If you have any problem, you can ask me now. What is the ionization enthalpy and ionization potential? Okay, so actually electrons in atom is,
What is the real meaning of enthalpy means?
enthalpy means heat. Enthalpy is called your heat. Okay, so change of heat take place at constant pressure. When pressure of the atmosphere is constant, then whatever heat change or transfer of energy take place one substance to another substance, that is called heat or enthalpy. Okay. Now let us say, suppose this is the atom and which have so many electrons. This is the valence electron. So this is your valence electron. Obviously, this is electron is attracted by the nucleus. Attracted by nucleus now. Attracted by nucleus. Now we have to remove electron. So to remove this electron, what we have to do? We have to give energy which will be more than this force of attraction, right? So to remove this electron, so energy must be supplied. Energy must be supplied. Okay, energy must be supplied to overcome force of attraction. Force of attraction. Okay, towards the nucleus. Force of attraction towards nucleus. Okay, towards nucleus. Okay, we are going to calculate this energy only. Okay, this energy which is supplied to remove electron. Okay, and that energy is called your this one ionization enthalpy or potential. I will write definition. Okay, suppose this is sodium. Let's take sodium. So if you want to remove first electron, so we have to apply energy. So it is written as the delta H, or we put the value I. I means ionization. I means your ionization energy, means to convert into ions.
Delta H means change in heat.
Yes. So ionization energy. So if you give the delta H1, so it becomes your sodium plus and 1 electron. Okay, we have to use the gaseous state, because in gaseous state it is easy to remove electron, right?
Sir,
Yeah, electron is yes.
sir, after this chapter, we have only chemical bonding, no, sir?
Yes. Electron easily removed, okay, from gaseous atom. Okay, this is the energy there. So
Sir, only chemical bonding is there, we don't know, sir. Even we have electrochemistry, sir.
Okay. First, you learn this one. It's big topics. Everything is not possible to discuss. So whatever is there, we'll just finish it. Okay.
Sir,
In
what is the difference
electrochemistry,
between ionization enthalpy and ionization energy, sir?
in like our we have batteries, then battery inverters, cells. These are the part of the electrochemistry. Means conversion of
Sir,
electricity
this
from
will come in
chemical
physics,
reaction.
no, sir?
No, physics different. A conversion of electricity from chemical reaction or redox reaction is called your electricity. Okay, electrochemical cell. Or conversion of this one, passing of electricity to convert into redox reaction is called your electrolysis.
So what is
These
the
two.
difference between enthalpy, ionization enthalpy and ionization energy, sir?
Wait, I'm giving you now. And enthalpy is same thing only. Let's try the definition. What is the
So
meaning of?
you gave definition
No.
during the time when you're teaching atomic structure. So you told ionization energy is the energy required to move the electron, isolate the electron from the atom.
Exactly. You're correct. Okay. So write out the again definition. It is the minimum amount of energy. It is we can say minimum amount of energy. It is minimum amount of energy. We write with white only. Amount of
Sir, some background noise is coming
to
from your
remove
side, sir. Someone
required
shouting, sir.
my side.
Yes, sir.
So they are in other floor.
Oh, okay, sir.
The other floor you are getting sound. My God. It is the minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron. We have to take most loosely bound, the electron which is loosely bound, that we have to select. Okay, loosely bound electron. So obviously the valence electrons are mostly loosely bound from the isolated isolated gaseous atom. All people are so much talking. Gaseous atom so as to convert into a gaseous cation. When you remove electron, it will convert. Yes. What I'm writing here. I wrote this much. Can you see? So as to
Sir, I
convert
can see only that up till atom, sir. So now it came.
gaseous cations is called
So there is a latency problem, I think, sir.
what problem?
Latency problem on your side.
Latency. Internet, no? Slow speed.
Lagging, sir.
Yeah, sometimes they are sending also internet speed is less only. I don't know. But my thing is earphone only. I think it's clear now here. So it is the minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound. So this is you have to point down loosely bound electron from the isolated gaseous atom so as to convert into cations. Okay, like sodium is convert into sodium plus sign. So this amount of energy is called your. So we can take any atom. If it is solid, first you convert into gas state. So we have to give a heat of sublimation. Then if you give energy, that is the delta H1 first energy, it becomes your M1 plus. Okay, so whatever delta is required to convert this one in gaseous state, this is called we can say IE1 first ionization energy. IE1 is first ionization energy, right? Again, if you give again one more energy, delta E2, it becomes your Me2 plus. We can remove any electron, but energy requirement will be high. So this will turn into Mn2 plus gaseous state. So this will be again more. We can give again electron energy delta H2, H3. So again it becomes your M3 plus, but it will be gaseous state. So obviously in this energy, this is your IE2. This will be IE3. Okay, and in this energy, which is more energy, so IE1 will be lesser than IE2 and which is lesser than IE3. Okay, can you tell me why? Why? Let us assume and let us take M assume M is aluminium. Okay, I have given one probably also. Now tell me why I3 will be greater than I2 and I2 will be greater than I1. Yes, assuming M is metal is aluminium. So can you tell me answer? Anyone?
Sir, what, sir?
Hmm?
Sir,
No,
what
when
should I tell him?
first I told take metal in solid state, convert it to gaseous state, because you have to remove electron in gaseous state. We can't remove electron in solid and liquid state. Okay, because in gases the atoms are isolated. Now if you give the energy, one electron is knocked out from the valence electron, so it become n plus. Again if you give energy, some more energy, so again second electron also removed from the m plus, it become m2 plus. And if you give again energy, it becomes your M3 plus, all are gas state. So first energy at delta H1 is I1, delta H2 is I2, and delta H3 is I3. I am asking question. IE3 is greater than I2 and this is greater than I2. Question why? Why it is greater?
Sir, because first the
Ah.
ones that are not bound, that are very loosely bound, can be taken off easily. But as the
Ah.
electrons are going out, they are very loose.
What is increasing? What is increasing? What is increasing? Let's take example here. I assume.
The force
So
of
the
attraction
ionization enthalpy
between
is
the
increasing.
Suppose you take aluminium, so it becomes so aluminium. Now they have the 283 electron. So after IE1, it becomes your 282 electron plus charge. Again, if you give the IE2, so it becomes your aluminum. This will be minus electron.
Sir, I think the ionization enthalpy is increasing, sir, as
281.
as it
If
becomes
you
more
get,
positively charged.
it is. I wrote an increasing. So why it is increasing? Why it is increasing? Okay, this is the I3. Okay, so here we can
Enthalpy
say,
is increasing.
is increasing. Now question, why this is more? This is 3 only. This is my
Because
question.
something is going down.
No, because here we have this is having the Z effective is highest. Okay, in this case, it is difficult to remove electron, right? It is difficult, okay, to remove
Yes, sir.
electron.
Understood, sir.
Okay, understood. That's why always the first energy is your it will be lowest one, and always ionization energy is endothermic. Endothermic, na? They will absorb heat or they will gain as give heat. Hmm?
They will
Yes.
absorb, sir.
They will absorb heat. So it is the endothermic. So we can see delta H will be always positive value. So we'll do next time units and all those, right? Units and factors. It's clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yes, clear.
Yes,
So-
sir. It will be
something-
positive, whereas for delta H in the exothermic it will be negative.
This is a successive ionization, right? This is your successive ionization. I think it's clear now. Successive ionization. Understood now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we'll meet on Friday, right? It's clear.
Friday at which timing, sir?
Evening only possible. 7 to 8, something like that.